I love a good olive oil, especially extra virgins. I love cooking with them, putting them on salads, eating them with bread. And I learned how to properly taste olive oil on a trip to Sicily. You don't put it on bread, you actually put it in bowls and you actually taste the oil. So I have 3 different examples here. I have Spanish, Italian, and Greek, because all of these olive oils, even though they are all extra virgin, are going to taste completely different because of the type of olive and the soil and the climate that it's grown in. So here we go. This is the Spanish one, egregio, and I'm expecting it to be a little peppery. As expected, peppery. Here we come to the Italian. Smooth, a little bit sweeter, as expected, kind of a favorite. And Greek, I have not had Greek olive oil in a really long time, so we're tasting this one together. Kind of a mix between the Italian and the Spanish. I like it. Olive oil, taste some.